Kwabon Pamela K Black Media. Abusia na de sene yedi kan ma K Black ahwefo enya ntiye no eye abesono pa na sabi eye Ganafo enyina ya to abesono ane areho pa na enyina yedi efa eye Daddy Lumba ba mu wo de na pakan ababefa ne ko ekwan a enipa ko a o mabiem no eno na wababefa no ede ne ko na abusia eno na eye Counsellor Lutterodt ede ensembi atudwa efa autopsy autopsy a meka se efa Daddy Lumba ewu ho na odi nkomo efa enipa wu a na wose kedu 7 days kurampo emlemu no ka wose 7 days kula ansa na kasabi at the end of the day yetimi declare na se yetimi aklen wo say enipa bi ewu ana se impo family member of nipa na wawu no wona ka wose yetimi ba bonten eba be kasa se ebia abusia we se ye de hye simesi ewu but ase isim sasa amrani na nya adwuma ewo Ghana ha se na ohwe eja na Counsellor Lutterodt eto efa the autopsy of Daddy Lumba ana afenso so enipadom a wo mu kwan efa so a ye ba me wo mu kwan efa so a ye kora wo mu no nkokasa fa on wodi a chew papa etodwa asre Daddy Lumba yele se wo sre na se enkobetie na enkamon granti interview bia woni kunu ewu no ho abusia ne Japan education die school die Counsellor Lutterodt de yafemu am person kam no kwaji nchiremu ne besisi
number 2 legally wa hano ye mu bi burial permit it is based on the cause of death.
Okay.
It in Krofona you see one apart from mass burial as a result of Krofona some body communicable disease you dig from a disinfector you bury cut down below.
Yeah.
Why in a COVID time no your man cause of death you the koji permit kusi no me what I said that the living survives on the autopsy of the dead.
Okay, so those days, in the olden days, no, na yen obiwa yen pae no.
Yeah. Autopsy was way back.
It is we an autopsy.
Yes, okay, Thomas.
You're autopsy. Yes, we are autopsy.
Where besides some case?
Yes.
We say yes, we are
an autopsy.
So the Roman government doesn't want to seek for the cause of death for anybody who goes through punishment.
Okay.
So you're here to look for the cause of death of a punisher.
Because the cause man is a punisher.
Yeah, punisher. And even if there's a cause, you should die with it. But for the living, Ajemewu, yeah, research, and we say Deni Kunu. It is discovered, say, Yadi Kunu, no, hereditary.
Okay.
Then it gives us the right to inform the rest of the family members. Say, there is this in your family. So autopsy, and what the dead, it helps the living. So when you decide not to say me and Pammy say, now the next thing after autopsy, am I access to be able to use the formalin to preserve it because you bought formalin now? Am I access for you to be able to get frozen for preservation? I want to come say kago krumuti to fridge much na she said den bisi en keki tirieba what we no she fridge mu say un keki
because I'm alive.
Yes, but me the formalin share mu na me system no mu it attracts the cooling temperature
and preserve everybody
and preserve na tumi am what me absorb it we no enti na ye ka fa umpo be de dawa what me da ho saa because formula ni must still oye ejina mu enti na ni pewu a se wu na ye say
waka
we na man get you la man o me say there's a waka no
do you see about them
sir
yes save you no save you last posture
and yes sir eka
and one and two no you see Yeah, for super Jones, son. Last office now, you can say last office. Chichira boom say because there's a state that she's supposed to be for us. Oh, now you don't know so bomusa so that when you are draining, you drain to be in that
state. To be in that state. Nipa
very important. Oh,
but the only nature is a question to me now.
David, you see,
and did you all go to
only time this out.
I go be over here.
I have certain belief that the autopsy that Muyeno and what me believe no.
Believe me, see. Remember what I told you. I said the autopsy is not for the dead.
No, I believe that
it's for the living.
No, I believe that. Uncle Obi Wua. Na man ya mo twetwa na. Ye bom pa ye wetimi asore.
Ye obi enu a wewua. Obi enu a wewua.
Twetwa ni ntini.
Obi, let me tell you the process. So get the process here. In the place I work, I won't mention it, but the place I work, the car goes 3 times.
To where?
To the main hospital for. Yeah.
Are you sure?
You see, Besrame. Hey, and I did be a car never could be an Odibiba.
What?
Oh, child. Hospital in this one.
Yeah.
If you did ever come, you have more beds at the biggest hospital so far in West Africa. And 2 Kodibiba. And the car near Kono Kodibiaba. And the prayer who say you chow nip. By a buy a cold room. Baby, hospital no will be an hospital beer. Ya was in our cold room. How my frizzy.
Okay.
And the doctor declare it is only a clinical certified doctor that can declare that you are dead. And you go for me to do POB. And the Bedu hospital name. Obedu who are not saying nurse and see your work of doctor because a nurse cannot declare you dead except a clinical certified doctor.
Yeah.
And to be drive you be the bar. Or you do anymore. Yes, in the now you BID brought in dead. Now coroner's case. You have to report to the police that you brought us a dead body.
Yeah.
No one tells you. No be a job. And your body dead be dead. When you be dead be. Because the nurse cannot do it. A protocol channels. Yeah. It mean ma what ya say. Yam pray home to chow.
Okay.
And I try and you chow a busia for a nim. You chow be without the presence of your family. And as I'm thrown here, just say, yeah, to be kidney. I got tongue to my gym. Obi ya. Tete maybe a one put you say, what to make us say, me bema. Me the medical school never instructed say you soon me pa. Also obi I go insure it.
Come when there's all your will to.
What if so big name so
Nurses medically. So what can I say for boy? Why is that?
that's not quite.
Your point.
That's on culture.
No, nurses.
I want to give this part for the schools to learn with.
Wow.
But Mrana Sasa, the Mranica. Okay. Mranic say, Emu, a busuadia.
Okay.
And the assembly I walk to Hobia and Mrani a chum say, yen to me and fa.
Because a Busana be decided.
And I did the Busanica, a Busana say, she can't see a year with ye.
A year,
Not as a
year with ye.
At the wako, baby will be a quarter.
Crab beer.
It is a crab beer no bit ho. Dear almost fan call home. Yen found my womb baho. And I send a yen for one town. Yen for one back, Messi Mednim. You could do a fool. And young brand and my corpse and got to. But yen be called Nigeria. And no, or can't chiguye. Nigeria phone says, what? Open Pabwa says.
Okay.
Yanni buy what they can see and shen and nim cake. Let me in Bieso. Maybe ye year. Seven Crofona share here. You could see. If Busia penny and the year be beer. okoni fie ne frɛ no sɛ onko yi papa
every phone na se
catch that
ntum ko tu phone no
obi si bibi ni yes mo boa mma me wuye me power sin nyida eti na ye yi kyerɛ me say enye say yi kyerɛ me ni so say me the condition si o say me dey see maame na me wo fa say next e say na ka yi apaye na me lock it door na me dey container bucket si o say nsuo no
and drop him
because air condition ni e fun dan no ajimai me lock it dan ki ni she boto ye omo nko fa fun ni bi aba omo nko na me nko fa de wo dem me ko ni ada ne bucket na me nsuo ni nyina yiri wo carpet so
o maame na be dan
to nyame enye maame me mbisa kwan obi and air condition muda me mbisa kwan
it's true
me mbisa kwan enti me ka ko si se ye koye e ko yi mpa bo na ase se me wo fa na wan o ye stubborn ye pia ne tiko no be hwe fom ni ko issue
wow
enti ye yo no so wo na mambra ye ye de siesie wako baby a de ye fa nko wo se kuma de da ne komu wo se efe ye de da na be ka so penti fa nto ne kuma onto mi fa nko asema do
ye be yi sasa sama do for nya
penifo na wo de we be de ho na wo ko ni si be yi pa ni ye
bra be bra se we yi
because you know that's what I'm talking about enti enye so bi hu obi eye nhihye ye de boa enti o kase yen yunsa ne enfama medical school agusuani timi kase obi ankoye
ye yi nsa
ya obi bi ankara fon friend abayan won say ekwe yi ase ye fantoma half piece
ya de abobo yen
ni atete amamu a eye ne fam ne de abobo monsa won say ko se nipa no anfa odi ankoye bi e be fi wo oni de ye ye say ye gidie ne say entumasi odi ko di adanse akata na hono no na echiche ma mu nyina adanse die fu amobaye enti okwa yesese ni nyina ano e fa na sasa na onfa kata no ho enti okoduo na kwa me de nka ho a ye tisi a enso
ye ba beji
enti e ba be kun de akọ
ye de bi ku so was it these things are things that
a tradition
we are supposed to learn. It is not fetis
yeah
okunayo ni okunayo nye fetism amamre ni abakosem ne kire se kwame ene ne yire ene eda
mete ne sabe consulter obo bi
just an example
we are consultant in court and I will see anymore eti kwame one ne yire te ena kwame aka nkyene den ni okunayo ne ebusumi nkono
yeah
adentia on ne daban ho ne ho adane ana ye mfa ye de hye nko abonten eti ye ma ne bosome nkunu akwentu na nyinsen na bo se na be ya eti ye hwe so onyema na
keke
eti bosome nkunu echi na onyem na ye ma ne ho kwan ma na wale
yes
ni eyi na fi okuna yo tuntum no aboni fita se fita ne kire so bi ntum mbe wale no na be ma ni okuna se be ma nyem
nti be ma de ne yiri wu ya na oto aso
and to aso ni gina wutim I said on friends of boba ni nice bi so nti be ma de onye okuna ba ono pa
obeye
enti na me say obi a okuna wu ana yire wu a wedi more than 2 years an wale ye hwe wu ye na wu ya ye hu okuru ese se oto wale so nti ye hwe nyame ye nyina the announcement must be done in setting. You have to come and tell the family what caused the death. Then the family will now sit down and pour libation. Ask that as the soul of our son or daughter come to you, and then we come out to give an announcement through the family. So the family announces the death.
Not on a letter.
Not a legal.
Actually,
not a legal counsel.
I mean, legal counsel announce for who?
Okay.
If the family sits today, near Tracy, near your friend Kwame, lawyer, near Naba, near Aka, near see your busone cash one no say, or son so young menu for a woman, and the shower no say, Fakrata, and Alpha Semco, Nema, and also Bana wo can. You send your cano. I me, I see me jina ebusuya say ano aka say eja enkuto oda ebusuya say ano se me mama so enti say
omode share
ekwa yare hwe
because in the letter no want obia oye pania or no na ye jana na mu ya see
ye jina busu opani na name I get you
enye Lumba sem ne ye kaba
in general
ye ni yatra ye ni ton too much asine si ya na mu se wewu mi si wewu echire mu o ka fa ni face asem ngwa ni nyina wu echire mu no nobody you understand enti mo me asua se me de si ene no me si na me ti me nim esan se me say me nim yiriti me wu ochina ontumi enkobo mbusu amade ne busu afo ne beba ne ho ne bisa ne esi no ya fa delegation e de akọ me busu fie akobo amane se say na esi me yire nkobi okunani nkobi because ma say okunani grant interview enti mo si Lumba se mujitu se wawu no wo yire a me fa kwanya so nsere ne se
no kasa
me monka so ton number 2 speculation of what killed him
mo bia
ebusu afa so good form na ye man krofon ko sub Lumba we musie ye fashion up to me no say empa bodu mu nsuro hwe da ye mo ni voice za mu nsuro to me no
Christo di no mu nsuro bi
mo ni voice mu nsuro
ise bodia
ayaya yegun sa ye baba makọ ye stresse mo na magije tata ye kunu de eni mu mpefo mo eni mu ne o yare ye kunu no amani ofa mu de ye kan se me bi nsi wo ye nsu bi mu kwa ye fa so wenye se na ti o ye sre mo na so bi oni mu kan no be ka se eni wasie ye de bi eni ekun ye be ye sama na mamo ye sama na mamo ye sama na wo hwe nsa ni wi ye nyama kakra no e de adi atanse
na fu bi esuru say obeka
wo de me nsuru koka
because okay be adwuma understand
this is what we believe
yeah
any good Christian is a good traditionalist
yeah okay
I am an ordained gazetted reverend minister
okay
how did I come to where I am to teach you these things? If you teach your children the tradition well, none of them will be afraid of anybody. We are building heroes outside, but we have no heroes in our homes. Awododo emu shira ni enimu beme bia busu bia awododo ye ma bodan for baako jenenim ebie baako they give you everything and you say you kofie bia hey me ba no ho me ba ben
no
oh jeneti kan ho they give you everything hey me ba me kan ha say adwumati we usunu ban enyo maami suban o papa mo suban
yeah
enti so bi pe busu ni bia ware wo mo ho a okọ no ko hwe maami suban a o nya mo type en wale
ni so ko papa sai
enti on konko hwe adwuma mu anti ni papa aunties ni suban because you have to live as your father lived not as your mother lived
sure
enti me problem ni say argument be the social media so we earlier on and does some conversation he is right to say it.
No, but for them to even say why do you say
yes, because this is not the first time you're saying well
and no fact be na they can say
he has the right to say defending the lie or the truth. But at the end of the day, who will tell us say no correct? It's the family. So me please say we are rushing too much in our well.
Okay.
And those of you on TikTok,
okay.
If the family will not, and I want to plead, say, if the family have not done anything, they should do something now.
Yeah.
Nobody can force you. Even Mremu could have 7 days before. You have the 7 days to announce.
Yeah, sure.
It is a little that woman in that way. Charlie, let's do that. I am getting scared that if you don't take care, they will bury your family member before you know he's dead. Can we not bend the protocols?
Okay.
Media should not take away our excellence. Okay. Finally, that Lumba is a brand,
of course,
an institution. I'm scared. If truly he's dead, I'm scared.
Why?
That the legacy can it be managed?
By
if
who?
Yes. By who?
By who?
I say if it's yes, by who?
By who?
Because the historic Abakosem of that Lumba himself. Do you have an interview that Lumba has granted you before?
No.
Thank you. You promote him every time.
Every day.
Yes. You don't have anything about him.
No.
So he can say his life in the ministry or buy a more truth because he can't
because on in person on availing for media interviews.
So when the legacy of Lumba dies, Who caused it?
Oh, no one caused it.
Thank you.
He caused it.
Thank you.
Because several times I'm person being interviewer.
Thank you. So when the legacy dies, he killed it before he died.
He killed it. That one.
We have Despite Museum. Have you been there? Walk in there.
Yeah.
Then will be and will be asking where are you there? What they call it then?
You hear me as
Me wura ho. Me tu asika me wura mu no is different from a me ba than will be anano. Ade ba ko papa ni ye am be shocking me. Me call no say. Da ye bi ade na no auto live band instruments. Come here so call peska na call.
So send boy ya him.
Oh, I think a toy 400 for Tesla car. Oh, yeah. To go around 400 Ghana cedis. Media for crowd was so ultimate chain. The minimum fan chem. Oh, now media. The reason why I'm fan chem is to media. Yeah, quite sure become once. Maybe they don't hear more. It's in a video. Oh, I know. Because when they do that, Ghana for a better and by abusing and Crofofia man never because when said local tourism, but me can't say. Me call on Miss Yami, me name Bugatti. Some Bugatti, Obiache. Yeah. I my call now who the first Bugatti he manufacturer and then again. Obi and who better work a yet time. Say I will be to say tractor, you didn't move them. But today it's become the stylish in terms of modification. Minimum me call on and call them. Me first Mercedes Benz. So in a papa here we no time and it was despise or peka until no one no yet nadia. Me call or two for can no use no. Otobi. What's your two for baby anuntino? On drive that. Or the onano anti despite customize the nameplate is a two for. Why ye be a man? It's true. So we can talk about him.
But what about that Lumba?
Can Roman father have anything to talk about him? Was he managing him?
I approached him.
So yes, why here bad me. The only person I remember I've granted interview to only two people. Gifty Auntie. The first person that I opened up to was Gifty Auntie on the standpoint. The next person was Father Dixon Despite Group. I opened part of my life. The rest of my life, I've not opened. Even my wife doesn't have that detail. Because there's no procedure to release. At mine, which radio station having to go through the radio station have collapsed. You have moved on me boy. Channel out me boy. Where do you see the move? Where do you Rainbow, me boy? Where do me boy? If you remember, if I'm gonna go in, Nabaha, Hanso, where do you channel manager? You know our concept at all. Papa, the beer me can't so much, coachy. Oh, be anyone in history, and if you look at history about him, what have we done about him? We can't do anything until he starts. So, all of us, we should start. Because one day, we will not have anything to show. About something they did in the CNN. Mekano, 4th August 1974. And yes, it's from left hand drive
to right.
It is still there. The history is there. Thank you. Some person will work. I mean, for the crap. Easy. That's what we are. On sorry, the bonny, because we see, and here, Lumba the new bar. Mabe kasi wo
yeah chance me
no you mak pejinja
abuja baby a wo hwe me bia wo haw ne amane kodan na bia da eda wo so bia no bomode se onimi bedi nkomo ye de samna nwanwaso bi aba e frene se eye sika kokko na gold samna wo haw bia da eda wo so bia wo hia sa samna we se bi afi wo ye bema wo hwe me wo bema sam wo pom wo bema ye ketwa rabaji bula matali edro bi na wo bema enye kesi watimi abo adwuma so ache e wo empem ye de akwankyere bi aba abuja no ye hwehwe wo hyebrim a ye frene se mpelifo akwankyere ana se wo betima frene back to sender onipa bi ha onipa bi tata wato bet e wo ho se wo sanity bi obeku bomode so be fa numbers na egu screen ase na woni mi akasa me hwehwe wo hyebrim wi a me bomode se me kyerɛ wo ne wo beye